How to post a story on TikTok. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the plus icon in the middle. This is the TikTok camera screen. Now tap on the capture button to take a photo. Then edit the photo as you like using the edit options on the right side of the screen. Then tap on Your Story at the bottom. You have now successfully posted this photo to TikTok Story. Tap on Your Story at the top left corner to view it. Following these steps, you can easily post a story on TikTok. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.